looks down. It doesn't look like it used to look. I don't know how to fix it, but I feel like it's not gonna work the same anymore. The formula, I feel like it changed. It smells like alcohol. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna try and use it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my cheek. Oh, never mind, it's pigmented still. It's just the texture doesn't feel like powder anymore. It's weird. But never mind, it worked. I was getting a little nervous. Wow, okay. It looks really pretty, okay. So it does work, texture is not gonna be the same. So just in case y'all want to try this DIY trick, it's probably not gonna look the same as before, but it kind of works, so it's up to you. So yeah, I just wanted to stop by and give an update of the freaking highlighter. So yeah, you see it still looks like clay. It doesn't look like powder. Like it should look like powder like this, but no, it looks like this. It looks like clay or mud something. Some art. I forgot. I haven't been in art class since forever, but yeah, it's basically like kind of like that. But obviously it's still bright. Well, not bright, but shimmery. That's what I meant. But it's just not gonna feel powdery. Okay. So yeah, that's the final update. Okay, bye.